Hey guys, it's Exploded Pikachu here, and if you're wondering why I'm not showing myself in the camera, is because I found the ultimate Exploding Pikachu fan, and it's me. We got the Creeper sweater and hoodie, Creeper hoodie, and we got the Pikachu hat. Put it all together and you get exploding, because creepers explode. Exploding Pikachu. I'm gonna take a picture of myself and change my logo. Change my YouTube logo so people know what I am exactly. I'm not just Pikachu. I'm exploding Pikachu. It might look like I'm putting out a boob, but I'm not. I'm actually, there ain't nothing there. It's just flat. There's supposed to be something there, but it's just flat. Why are we even talking about this? I'm not even supposed to be talking about this here for the channel, but exploding Pikachu. I feel so appreciated right now. When I go to, oh my gosh. When I go to school, people will be like, "Oh my God, exploding Pikachu! It's an exploding Pikachu!" And they'll be like, "Exploding Pikachu has appeared at school." And they'll be like, "Exploding Pikachu has appeared." And then my friends are gonna be playing Pokemon with me, and then they're gonna be like, "Exploding Pikachu, I choose you." Probably something like that. I don't know. I go back to school in 2019. Yeah. But anyway, as I said in my last video, I'm very sick. Oh, and guess what? I'm not. Okay, and guess what? My last video, I said I was hot, but now I'm not hot. This is just the temperature just in the kitchen. If you go in my room, it's gonna be freezing. It's gonna be below Antarctica. It's gonna be below Pluto's temperature. Pluto is cold. Wait, Pluto isn't even a planet anymore. We should keep that down. But yeah, got the exploding Pikachu outfit. Everything is here. So yeah, I'm going to change my profile and yeah. Okay. Bye. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Bye my Pikachucks. Bye my Pikachucks.